Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again. You're in the swamp. I'm your host, Todd Sinnard. You know, in the past couple of hours, past couple of days, news has been traveling so fast that you have to sit back and, kind of calculate things and be careful about what you put out so you don't look stupid. Do you hear me knocking? Because holy crap, there's a whole lot of that going on these days, isn't it? Okay, here we go. Ladies and germs, don't forget to join, subscribe, click wherever you have to keep on getting content from this show. I'm your host, Todd Sinnard. Real quick, things are unfolding so fast. New body cam video of the shooting in Minnesota. And it goes along the line what I was already saying and shared videos on my other platforms. But the new video did nothing but bonify and actually resulting in me being correct, which doesn't always happen, mind you. Although, let's not mince words here. Anytime something like this happens to any individual, it is indeed tragic. I don't care what anybody says, how badass that I've been in things that I've been involved in personally that are tragic. I can tell you without any uncertainty, although you get thick-skinned over it, taking the life of another individual is never easy. It's tragic no matter what the scenario. That being said, what happened with that young lady was completely warranted. She left children back at home to come do this in a state, from a state rather, that she doesn't even live in Minnesota. Okay? It's clear by the video. I don't have to put it up here for you because I'm sure you've seen it Lord knows how many times, although it's very new. So look for the new video, the new body cam video from the ICE officers, and it'll become apparently abundantly clear to you as it has for me. And if you look at this video coverage from the body cam footage of the ICE agents and you come to any other conclusion after watching it when you find it, and again, I'm going to reiterate that the legitimate one, the legitimate body cam footage, not the footage from people's videos around the house and in the town, body cam footage. Not only did what happened is true and justified, but here's the biggie as far as I'm concerned, my opinion, and I know because I haven't seen it because I've been paying attention. The one thing that everybody hasn't noticed or intentionally fails to mention, if you pay close attention, and it's not hard to find, that ICE officer that was in front of that vehicle had the fortitude to literally wait until the vehicle was pushing him in his hips before he even fired. So no matter what you tried, how do you want to spin it or try to twist it of these other, like, to me, just at this point, it's just lunacy. Anybody that would say anything different. And it's disgusting and evil as far as I'm concerned. There you have it. I said it. That officer definitely was justified. He had the wherewithal to wait until he was actually being shoved by the vehicle before he fired the pistol. What more do you want? It doesn't get any more cut and dry than that. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This has been another short that's longer than it usually is. I'm your host, Todd Sinnard. Don't forget to follow and subscribe and all that happy stuff. You have a great day. It's a busy week now, isn't it? More to come. Page 2 and the rest of the story. Good day.